Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today we'll see how to make gobi rice without adding any sauce. We'll see the ingredients what we need. Cauliflower 1 cup, tomatoes 4, grated carrot 1 cup, chopped onions 1 cup, chopped coriander leaves 1 cup, chopped ginger and chopped chilies. Rice flour 3 tablespoons, maida 3 tablespoons, corn flour 2 tablespoons, chili powder 3 tablespoons, garam masala 3 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and salt 2 tablespoons. We need to have the cooked rice ready. Add salt to water and set it to boil. And then add cauliflower to the salted water and let it cook. Once it's done, strain the cauliflower and keep it aside. Then add the flour that I mentioned to the cooked cauliflower. Add ginger garlic paste, add garam masala, add chili powder and then add salt to it. Mix it well, let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Grind tomato into fine puree. Heat the oil for deep frying. Add the marinated cauliflower onto it. Keep flipping these cauliflower until it turns golden brown. Once it's done, take it aside. In another pan, add a little oil, add jeera, add chopped garlic and add chopped chilies and add the chopped onions and add the ginger garlic paste and saute it well. Once the onion turns golden brown, add the chopped carrots also and saute it well. Once it's done, add salt and chili powder. Add the tomato puree to it. And add the fried cauliflower and give it a good mix. Add the chopped coriander leaves for some flavor. And finally, add the cooked rice and give it a good stir. And that's it, your gobi rice is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Thank you.